Morning guys. So I have ordered Vayu tire pressure monitor and tire refill electronics for Cred store, and it's of the brand Portronics. So we are unboxing. So stay tuned guys. So this is the internal box. You can see it's much needed for car, and it's chargeable. So I ordered that. You can charge for cars, bicycle and balls. You can see this is a kind of charger, the Portronics Vayu 5.0. So in Cred I got it at around 1749 or 1799. I have checked other e-com sites like Flipkart, Amazon. It was around 2200 rupees. So let's see. Packaging is nice. This is the nozzle, and this is the charger. You can see you can easily kept in that car glove box after charging it. And this is the start button, tire pressure plus, minus, I don't know what is this, and this is the light, I think. And yes, it's a type C charger, so you can charge from type C. And what else we are getting? This is the type A to type C cable, and another nozzles you are getting for different materials, like different use car. Then you can fill air in the balloons and toys as well. So there are different sets. So that's it in the box, and here is a quick guide. So it is mentioned that inflation mode, pressure unit, LED display, current tire pressure display, preset pressure display, battery indicator, LED light button. So these all features you can see. 5 modes you can use: custom mode for balls, for bicycle tire, for motorcycle tire, and for car tire. So this is Portronics Vayu 5.0 user manual. You can see the details. So thanks for the watching, and do subscribe for more such videos and share with your friends. Thank you.